is my new setup. Shelf installed yesterday. I'm so happy and proud. Okay, so I plan to put some plants here. It took a minute for me to get this all together, but I'm happy it came out well. I'm running out of waters down there, but I still got waters here. I plan to do maybe a little bit more down here. I'll let you guys know. That is a charger cord. Your thoughts, your suggestions, what you think should be in the space, what you think. And get back to me. Give me some feedback. I'll talk to you guys later.